Welcome back to another Crypto Jet video where today we're going to be talking about Synthetix. Now, this is a project that is very interesting from a standpoint of decentralized finance because it does provide a nice creation of Synthetix assets or synthetic assets on the blockchain. So if you want to track the price or the movement or create an asset out of anything, so for example, even rice or wheat or whatever, you can literally track it using Synthetix's technology. So it's a really cool one. Sorry for a little beep on my phone previously, but if you do enjoy the video where today we're going to be talking a little bit about Synthetix, about the project itself, and a little bit about the market as a whole, well, if you enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite parts about Synthetix. So let's get into it. And before I want to get into the project a little bit more, where we're going to talk about this new financial primitive that enables the creation of synthetic assets, offering unique derivatives and exposure to real world assets on the blockchain. As I've said before, we're going to do a little rundown of Bitcoin and Ethereum's price action. So what we can see right here is something very important. So this zone at the 42K mark is the most crucial zone of support for Bitcoin, and we are currently holding very, very strong, potentially getting ready for another upwards leg. Now, depending on how long this leg lasts, we could see just a movement into here before continuing into another further retracement. So if we're potentially coming down, creating a double bottom at this area, and then creating another movement upwards, something along those lines, we can never tell. Or, it simply just breaks out. And at that point, you would say, okay, well, this bullish correction pattern, this huge bullish correction pattern has actually been broken out of, and we can finally continue to move more up with the bull run, right? So that's when it comes to Bitcoin. Ethereum has a very similar chart. We do see a nice, we had something like this, but it's not very valid anymore since Ethereum did drop in price into the 3K level, but we are finding strong support at that zone, and we still haven't broken the previous higher low. So until we do break the previous higher low, we are chilling and the bull run is still active. So that's pretty much it when it comes to, the market as a whole. Just a little glimpse so you can know what's going on approximately. Now, when it comes to Synthetix, we do have some pretty weird price action, I would say. So there's nothing that I could really draw up on this chart except something that does look like somewhat of a zone of support and previous resistance, which is this line right here. So we are currently creating something, right? This could be a double bottom. This could be classified as whatever you want to classify it as, but it could be something. And on the lower time frames, we will be waiting for a break of the previous lower high to signify a movement towards more upside. Now, when it comes to Synthetix itself, it is a derivatives liquidity protocol. So you can create pretty much any asset you want, and it will be taken into consideration as a synth, right? So the total value locked is 500 billion or $500 million. They take pride in decentralized perpetual futures, so you can guarantee the best price execution, lowest downtime and liquidation risk, and permissionless and composable environment. So you can get all the benefits of DeFi with a fully on-chain permissionless futures trading experience. What this means basically is that you will be getting what you pay for, hypothetically. Well, you're not really paying for anything, but you are getting the smoothest experience when it comes to asset tracking. And for example, if you want to track the price of corn in your backyard and you want to do it via Synthetix, you can very easily and very precisely. Now, why Synthetix? Well, you can capture the movement of popular cryptos, fiat currencies, stocks, commodities, and a lot more with zero slippage, so there will be no errors at all because of this Synthetix technology. So these synthetic assets or synths are assets voted into existence by the community and can come in the form of fiat, cryptos, stocks, commodities, pretty much anything with a price. If you move a little bit down, you can see what is actually powered by Synthetix. You can see a few additions to the Synthetix ecosystem and a lot more links down there. But lastly, what I wanted to show you is the actual synth. So you can see the price of the dollar. So as a stable coin, you have euro as a synth, Japanese yen as a synth, GBP, CHF. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, Cardano, Aave, Dot, and the DeFi index of all of the prices of all of the DeFi projects on the market. This is the DeFi index right here. So that's pretty much it when it comes to Synthetix. I do recommend you give these guys a follow on their, on their Twitter, because they do have a small market cap as of currently, less than $1 billion, and it makes perfect sense if we do see this coin making some huge moves in the future as their technology starts to be more widespread and adopted. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe for daily crypto news, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.